Hello everyone, welcome to the Mexican kitchen. I, Chef Sandeep and Chef Rahul, will demonstrate the recipe of chicken fajita. The ingredient required for making of chicken fajita is, for the tortilla flour we require a refined flour. You can also use maize flour instead of it if you wish to make a maize tortilla. We require water, salt, pepper. By this we prepare a dough which is rolled into round pancakes and which have been baked till done. For the mixture of fajita we require chicken boneless which has been shredded, chopped garlic, coriander powder, cumin powder, oil, red chili powder, and for the stuffing we require shredded yellow bell peppers, onion, green bell peppers, spring onions, red bell pepper, shredded lettuce, cheese, sliced tomatoes, and oil. So let's begin with the making of tortilla flour. For that, firstly, we take refined flour, appropriate amount of water, add salt, pepper, and now we'll start kneading with the dough. The soft dough is ready now. We have to sprinkle it with a little flour. Now we'll roll the dough into tortilla flour round in shape. Now the round tortilla is ready for baking. We'll bake it on a hot griddle. The tortilla is on the hot griddle. Now we'll bake it nicely from both the sides. It is important that the tortilla gets baked evenly from both the sides. The tortilla is ready for fajita now. Now we'll start with the making of fajita mixture. For that, we'll heat the pan. We'll add little oil to it, approximate 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, the pan is hot now. We'll add little chopped garlic to it. Wow, what a flavor of garlic. Saute the garlic a bit. Then you'll add little onions to it. Saute the onion well until it becomes translucent. We'll add little salt to it. This will help in the cooking process and the onion will not stick to the pan. Saute it well. The onion has become translucent now. We'll add shredded chicken to it. The onions have become translucent, so again we'll add a little bit of chicken to it. Mix it properly. and start sauteing it. Now the onion has started getting light brown, whereas the chicken has got sealed. We'll add all the shredded vegetables like shredded red bell pepper, shredded capsicum, shredded yellow capsicum, spring onion, tomatoes. See how beautiful it looks with a very colorful combination. Now we'll add little seasoning to it. We'll add cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder or paprika. Mix it well. Now again we'll add little salt to it. Pepper powder. Mix it properly and cook it until the vegetable gets softened and the chicken shred gets cooked. The tortilla filling is now ready for the stuffing. So let's start with the filling of fajita. For that, the tortilla flour is taken at the base. Then we apply guacamole to it. Guacamole is made from avocado paste with little lemon juice and chopped bell pepper and onions into it. Then we'll apply sour cream to it. Then we'll apply little salsa on top of it. These three things go very mandatory in Mexican cuisine. Now we'll add fajita mixture, chicken fajita mixture what we had prepared. Okay. Now we'll top it with lettuce shredded. Then we'll add little cheese on top, shredded cheese. Mexican people love lot of cheese, so you need to add more of cheese. Then we'll season a bit by adding salt and pepper. Now we'll fold the tortilla flour into a D shape and tuck in all the filling, and so that while roasting it the filling doesn't come out. Now we'll put it on the hot griddle carefully. Put little oil so that your fajita doesn't stick to the griddle. Slowly. We have put lot of cheese, that cheese melts and keep the mixture intact with the tortilla flour. The fajita is ready from one side. Now we'll just turn it over. The tortilla is ready for baked nicely from both the sides. We'll add little oil to it to get a glaze on it. Now we'll move it to the cutting board for cutting and presentation. Now we'll cut the fajita and present it, serve hot. Here's your chicken fajita. Enjoy.